Welcome back guys, Jessica here, and today I'm in Bahçeşehir getting ready to go on a trip to the Blacksea, and I'll see you guys there. What's up guys, so we are in one district I can say of the Blacksea at the moment, because the Blacksea is a long place, like it's not just one place. So now we're in Zonguldak, another part of the Blacksea, and behind me here we have a replica of the mosque Masjid al-Aqsa, and on my other side we have a theme park. So back over there is a theme park, and I'll keep you guys updated on my trip. Thank you for joining me. Guys, we are at the hotel right now. There's actually a really nice view of the ocean over there, but we're gonna check out the pool first. If it's nice, we'll probably go for a swim, but if not, we're gonna go down to the beach. I'll show you some clips from this hotel. Okay, we're down at the pool now. I'm ready to swim. So the pool looks good from here. Guys, I'm going to show you some clips in the water. So here's some clips. Guys, now we're somewhere along the Blacksea. I don't know my exact destination right now, but there's a nice bridge behind me, and if you follow the stream you arrive at a cave, but it's pitch black inside, and this water is freezing, but I'm soaking wet right now and cold. But I'm going to show you some clips from this GoPro hopefully, and see you then. Robotic bull I just went on, it didn't really look like a bull much, but like it was a good experience. It cost me 7 lira, about $2 Australian, and during the day I'll hopefully show you some more clips of Amasra. Guys, now we're in Amasra, and we found the GoPro, which is not worth too much but has a good SD card, and we went for a swim. I'm going to show you some clips on this GoPro, and there's some rumors of a wild bear, but I don't know how true these rumors are, to be honest, but we'll just have to wait and see. What? guys, now I'm stopped on the side of the road having some Turkish pastry called gözleme. They're making it behind me right now, and I'll show you guys hopefully some more on how they make this food. Hey guys, now we're in a bay. So we went for a swim. The water's pretty cold. We swam out to the little islands, and now I'm just relaxing on the water. Hey guys, you just watched my amazing trip around Turkey. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.